Hi everyone! Today, let's talk about how to avoid common heat pump installation mistakes. Improper installation can lead to poor efficiency, higher energy bills, and potential system failure. Make sure the heat pump is correctly sized for your home, installed in a well-ventilated area, and that refrigerant levels are checked. Always choose a trusted professional to ensure the job is done right. Avoid these mistakes and enjoy maximum comfort and savings with your heat pump. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.